Affiliate marketing offers one of the most lucrative ways to generate income online, with the potential to scale rapidly. Start by selecting a niche that interests you and has high earning potential. Focus on sub-niches with high demand but lower competition. Choose affiliate programs that offer high-ticket items or recurring commissions, with reliable tracking and high conversion rates. Your website should be optimized, mobile-friendly, and fast, crucial for attracting traffic and converting leads into sales. Provide content that builds trust and authority, such as blogs and tutorials, to establish credibility and encourage conversions. Build an email list with lead magnets and send targeted offers through segmented campaigns to drive repeat sales. Paid traffic from platforms like Google Ads can accelerate affiliate income by targeting specific audiences. Retargeting ads can bring back visitors who didn't convert initially, increasing chances of making sales. Partnering with influencers can expand your reach and drive high-quality traffic to your affiliate products. Set up automated sales funnels to guide leads from awareness to conversion, allowing your business to run on autopilot. Measure your performance using tracking tools to understand conversion rates and optimize based on data. Promote multiple affiliate programs to reduce risk and reach different audience segments with complementary products. Building a $1 million affiliate business takes time and focus. Stay consistent and refine your strategies. Making $1 million in affiliate marketing in 12 months is achievable with the right strategies and commitment.